So those aromatics have gotten soft, translucent, and it's maintaining a really nice light brown color. Now to this I'm going to add in my curry powder, and I'm using a mild curry powder. And I'm going to toast this here for about a minute. Once the curry is finished toasting, I'm going to add in some water. And I'm going to cook this down until it turns into a thick paste. So you see how this has turned into a thick paste. I know there's a lot of steam coming off from the pot. Now I'm going to add in the baigan and the potato. To this I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Just a little, because this melongene or baigan is going to melt down and it's going to become a very little bit. And we can always adjust salt at the end. You don't want this to be salty because you wouldn't be able to take out any salt. So I'm just going to allow this curry to coat this baigan and allow it to fry down or bunge down in the pot before I add any additional water for this to cook. And bunge down simply means allowing all of the liquids in the pot to dry out. Okay, once the majority of liquid in there dries down, you're going to add in water now for this to cook. And I put in about 2 cups there. And I'm going to allow this to cook until the potatoes are soft and the baigan starts to melt down. This is going to thicken up and it's going to get really thick and nice. And that's how you'll know when it's ready. So guys, the baigan or melongene has melted down and you can just see the potatoes are whole, and that's how you want this to be. You want those potatoes to remain visible or chunky. Now you want to taste it at this point and adjust your salt to taste, and then this is ready to be served. I'm going to dish this out and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for curry baigan and aloo or melongene and potato. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you remember to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!